Is a swollen battery really annoying? Don't panic or rush, Buddy has a method. First, open the battery case. Here, use a knife to tap the edge of the clip to pry open the case. Unscrew the 2 screws on the flexible cable so 3 screws can be removed. Follow Buddy's method to take out the entire battery cell. Take out the prepared 4400 mAh battery cell. Buddy here uses a high-rate A-grade battery, of course. The size must also be appropriate. Otherwise, it won't fit into the case, and too small capacity is not enough. Choosing the battery cell is very particular. Insulation must be well done to prevent short circuits. These plastic pieces are all taken from the original battery, so do not throw away the 33 parts after disassembly. Reassemble exactly as disassembled. This is not difficult at all. Then put the assembled battery back into the case. When you hear a click sound pressing down, it means it is in place. Connect to the computer for data debugging. After confirming the numbers are correct, further testing for charging and discharging is needed. Remove the cover and fix the switch on the flexible cable with screws. Such a swollen battery can be renewed again. If you find the video useful, please like and follow.